To purchase a car in Spain, you'll need to produce certain documentation. 1. You will need to have a fiscal identification number, known as an NIE. 2. Proof you're registered at your local town hall will also be necessary. 3. A copy of your property deed or long-term rental contract is another document that must be provided. When buying a car in Spain, you'll need to make sure the seller provides you with all the necessary paperwork too. 1. The permiso de circulación. This is like the logbook or identification of the vehicle. 2. The transfer of ownership document. 3. The latest ITV certificate. This is a roadworthiness certificate, similar to an MOT in the UK. And 4. The receipt for payment of the road taxes. If you're buying a car from a dealership, they will usually take care of all the paperwork for you. Most people use a professional to deal with the paperwork for them, especially if they have limited Spanish language skills. However, you'll find a step-by-step guide on our website if you do want to go through the process on your own. Visit the Buying a Car in Spain page at carinsurancespain.es.